Your lesson essential question is, how do we divide by 0 and 1? So we're going to be dividing today. We'll be dividing by 0 and we'll be dividing by 1. And this is just as easy as when we multiplied by 0 and 1. So you guys are going to absolutely love this lesson. Neil has 3 goldfish. He puts 1 goldfish in each bowl. How many bowls did Neil use? Do me a favor and identify what this problem's asking you to find. All right, this problem wants to know how many bowls Neil used. What information is going to help us solve this? Okay, we know there are 3 goldfish. We know that there's 1 goldfish in each bowl. So he's got 3 goldfish times 1 in each bowl. Now let's distribute the goldfish and see how many bowls he needs. 1, 2, 3. How many goldfish are in each, or how many bowls did we use? We used 3 bowls, so 3 times 1, 3 goldfish times 1 bowl each equals the 3 bowls, or 3 fish divided by into groups of 1 equals 3. Thinking of your fact families also. So Neil used 3 bowls. Let's talk about some of the rules for using 1 and 0. So if 1 is our quotient, remember a quotient is an answer to a division problem. If 1 is our quotient, any number divided by itself equals 1. So if we have 3 and we divide it into groups of 3, our answer is 1. And I'll show you why. We have 3 groups and we're distributing 3. 1, 2, 3. So they're each in their own group. We have 1 in each group. Same if you have the number 5. If you divide it in any number by itself, the answer is going to be 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. We're distributing 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 1 in each group. So any number divided by itself equals 1. Think of it if you have 5 friends and 5 cookies. You each get 1 cookie. Okay, our next rule is dividing 0 by any number. 0 divided by any number is 0. If I have 0 candy bars and 5 friends, I don't have any candy bars to give away. So the answer is 0. There's nothing to give. There's nothing to distribute. So 0 divided by any number is 0. Dividing by 0, you cannot divide any number by 0. So if I have 4 cookies and I want to put them in 0 groups, you just can't do it. You at least have to have 1 group of 4 if you're not distributing them. So there's no way that we can ever divide anything by 0. you're going to be working with ones and zeros today when you're practicing.